connect the Facebook Conversion API, you need to integrate it with your website or application's backend code to send event data directly to Facebook's servers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Obtain Access Token. Log into your Facebook business account and navigate to Events Manager. Generate an access token specifically for Conversion API, which will be used to authenticate requests sent from your server. Choose Pixel. Select the pixel you want to configure for Conversion API or create a new one if you haven't already. Set up server-side events. In the pixel settings, navigate to the Aggregated Event Measurement section and choose Setup next to Conversions API. Follow the prompts to configure your domain and generate the access token. Implement code. On your server side, integrate the necessary code to send event data to Facebook's Conversion API endpoint. This involves making HTTP POST requests to the Conversion API endpoint with the appropriate event parameters, such as event name, user data, and access token. Test implementation. Send test events to Facebook using your server-side code and verify that they are received and processed correctly in Events Manager. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor Conversion API's performance and ensure that events are being tracked accurately and consistently.